So hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn Fun with Prince Aryan. So today I'm going to show you about some Google exposing features. So first is let's see about Google in 1998. In Google 1998 it was like this. It was so amazing like this. It like पुराना जमाने का जो है कुछ ऐसा है. So ऐसा कुछ है. It's like Google something. So the next one is like Google Gravity. In Google Gravity, let us see how it is. It is Google Gravity. In this, everything will fall. Like Google hanging up there, here, and I'm kicking it like this everywhere and here and there, here and there. It's like, and these buttons also work like this. Like I open something like this is YouTube. I open YouTube and the YouTube is open here. Okay, so again if I go back, YouTube is working. Okay, the search bar is here. I can open the search bar here. I can search the search bar. Where is it? I forgot. Okay, it's here. So like hi guys, how are you? I'm not good at typing. Like this you can type, and it's like this and more. You search images, maps, play, calendar, all this work. Okay, and then the next one is Google Orbit. Like this, Mr. Doob here. Then here is like all the things rotate. Like it's so nice. Agar if some, yeah, if you're a brother or someone, if he comes like this, you can say them someone is hacking your device, and it's like the orbit is moving and Google is, it's like happening, something is happening here, and you can show him like this. And the next one is like let me see, next one is Google Thanos trick. Okay, Google Thanos snap effect, and if you press here, go down and like snap it. Yeah. Oh my god, what is happening? Oh no. Oh no. Everything is going. Oh my god. Like this you can show your brothers or sister, everything will go back. I don't know how to again appear it. I don't know how to do. But it's doing something like this. This is like the Thanos snap effect. And again it's like Google Space, and again it's one more app of Mr. Doom, Google Space. Google Space again, Mr. Doom, open it, and like all the images are floating, and these also work. Like now I'm going to play an IPL, but it is cancelled, but I am going to play an IPL. Like it's 3, 2, 1 and go sixer, yeah. It's like this, and it's like something like this. Okay, the next one is Google take a barrel roll. It's like Google take a barrel roll. Okay, Google take a barrel roll. Let's take a barrel roll. Yeah, again check a barrel roll. Come on, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Oh, it is mirrored also. Yeah. It's like this something. Then next is like Atari Breakout. Okay, Atari Breakout is a tower will break out. Tower will break out. Let's just switch it. Oh yeah, it is like a game. It's ping pong game. Like we can play with this ting ting ting. It is becoming faster. Oh, ting ting like this. Oh yeah. Oh, I just failed and I'm just playing it again. So then again next is Google Pac-Man. Okay, Google Pac-Man, Google Pac-Man, and in this you can like just play a game. Am I ready? Let's play. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh no 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 no. Oh, I'm going to fail. I'm going to fail. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. This like this you can play games in this. And next is Zegrush. Zegrush. Okay. Z-E-R Rush. Okay. Zergrush in this Zergrush, let's play Zergrush. And it's like COVID bacteria coming and disappearing everything. Like this, everything COVID is coming, disappearing everything. Like everything. That's why we need to wear mask and go outside. There is a lot of COVID-19 in the India, so we should be safe. And it's making some letters. I don't know what it's doing. It's making something. Making what is making? It's making. Oh, it's GG. GG boys. GG. Then next one is the last one. It's like a you need to search a recursion, and if we search a recursion, it is in the process of defining problem, and it's like again you should search recursion. Again, if you press recursion, it will show recursion. But it's something a fact like this recursion. Let's see what is the meaning of a recursion. Okay, meaning of recursion. This meaning of recursion is repeated application. So it is like it will show you what is the recursion, and it will confuse you, but don't be confused, and it is a fact. And these were all the facts of, and I exposed Google in all the ways. So this what is for the video, guys. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.